Namaste students. Continue the field of elements chapter, the group 16 elements, atomic properties of group 16 elements. First atomic properties, general valency for electronic configuration for group 16 element is n-2 np5, 2 s orbitals, 4 p orbitals. S orbitals, there are 2 electrons, and p orbitals are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Second one, atomic and ionic radii increases down the road. Why it is increases down the road? Atomic size increases as we go down the group. So that atomic ionic radii increases down the road. Which one is the least atomic radii? Oxygen. First element is the least ionic radii. Maximum polonium. Ionization enthalpy (IE), the minimum energy required to remove a host electron. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Ionization energy of the group 16 element is lesser than that of the group 15 elements due to the extra stable half filled p orbitals in group 15. It means in group 15 it is ns2 np5, isn't it? np5 means it has 2 electrons, it has 3 electrons, singly occupied. This is loosely bonded here in 16 group elements. But here in 15 group elements, completely half filled p orbitals, so that it is extra stability 15 groups compared to the 16 group. So that ionization enthalpy of 15 is greater than that of group 16. Last one, oxygen has higher, lesser negative. Oxygen atom. First element in the group 16. Oxygen has lesser negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur due to its small size. Which one is the small size compared to all the elements in group 16? Oxygen, because there is a non-availability of d orbitals, empty d orbitals. Compared to sulfur, oxygen is lesser electron gain enthalpy due to its smaller size. But from the sulfur onwards, after the sulfur, selenium and tellurium, polonium, the value becomes which value? Electron gain enthalpy value becomes less negative up to the polonium. Within the group means 16 group elements. Electronegativity decreases with the increase in atomic number. Atomic number increases, so that electronegativity decreases. Most electronegativity is oxygen, and electronegativity decreases down the road from oxygen to sulfur, sulfur to selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Physical properties of group 16 elements ns2 np4. Oxygen and sulfur. First, oxygen and sulfur are non-metals. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metals. Metallic character increases down the road. So that first these two are non-metals and they are metalloids and metals. Selenium and tellurium are metalloids and polonium only metal. And also it is radioactive in nature. Its half-life period is 13.8 days. All these elements, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, elements exhibit allotropy. All the elements. Melting point and boiling point of the group 16 elements go down the group. Because atomic size increases, so that melting point, boiling point increases. Oxygen exists as a oxygen is available in the air exists as a diatomic molecule O2. Oxygen is exists as a O2 atomicity it is, and sulfur is exists as a polyatomic S8 structure. Number of sulfur atoms are in one molecule S8. 8 sulfurs are arranged in a boat shape. After the physical properties, now chemical properties of group 16 elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Chemical properties that first one, oxidation state. These are the elements and oxidation state of the specific element. Oxidation state of oxygen -2, -1, 1 and 2. -1. A common oxidation state for oxygen is -2 in every element, and the +2 in superoxides, and it is in peroxides. And sulfur also, like -2 oxidation state will reduce, thus decreases when metallic character enters down the group. As we move down the group, -2 oxidation state will decreases because positivity increases, because the polonium is on the one of the metal. Like that, the sulfur shows many oxidation state: -2, -2, 4, 6, up to 6. And the selenium also -2, -1, 4, 2, 4, 6. Tellurium also -2, 2, 4, 6. These three are same: -2, 2, 4, 6 oxidation state for sulfur, selenium, and tellurium. Polonium is one of the metal which shows only positive oxidation state: 2, +2 and +4. Anomalous properties of behavior of oxygen. Why it is showing anomalous properties compared to all other elements? In group 16 elements, there are 5: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Oxygen is the first element. So oxygen abilities. Oxygen is very small size because it is very atomic number compared to these are. So oxygen is a small size and high electronegativity. It has higher electronegativity and high ionization enthalpy compared to other members of the group. So that oxygen is showing anomalous behavior. Oxygen shows anomalous behavior due to its small size and high electronegativity. Presence of a strong hydrogen bond. Presence of strong hydrogen bond in water. For example, what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen is ability to bond with the nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So here in water, H2O. Hydrogen is ability to bond with oxygen, so it is hydrogen bond, H bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in the formation of water. Here, presence of strong hydrogen bond in water, which is not present in H2S. In H2S, hydrogen is there. It is not bonds with the sulfur. It is bonded, but there is no hydrogen bond. There is no hydrogen bond. Because hydrogen bond means hydrogen is bond with the nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine only, not with the sulfur, not with the selenium, not with the tellurium and polonium. Hydrogen is able to bond only with oxygen, so that presence of strong hydrogen bond in water H2O, which is not present in H2S, like that H2Se, H2Te. These are hydrides. The high electronegativity of oxygen is responsible for hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen electronegativity also more for oxygen, and electronegativity decreases, go down below. More electronegativity is for oxygen. So for these two reasons, hydrogen one is hydrogen bonding, one is electronegativity. For these two reasons, oxygen is showing special property, that is anomalous properties compared to all other members. And another one, absence of d orbitals. Absence of d orbitals in oxygen limits its covalency 4. Covalency 4. It limits. It forms only 4 oxidation empty orbitals. It cannot exceed more than 4. In rarely exceeds 2, so that it is one of the limitation of oxygen. But except oxygen, it is the maximum covalency is 4 for oxygen, and these are ability to expand its covalency more than 4. More than 4. So that sulfur forms SF6 sulfur hexafluoride. It means it increases its covalency, because sulfur selenium, it has empty d orbitals in their shell, but it has no empty d orbitals and f orbitals. It is one of the anomalous behavior. What the exam may ask, what are the anomalous properties of oxygen? Write this any two. Next, reaction with hydrogen. Group 16 elements reacts with the hydrogen to form hydrides. Here hydrogen is a hydride and he is any element of the group 16. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium. It forms H2E. H2, if it is the element is oxygen, H2O. If element is sulfur, H2S. Element is selenium, H2Se. H2S. H2T. The acidic character increases from H2O to H2Te, tellurium, oxygen to tellurium. Acidic character will increases. Why it is increases? Due to the decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy, go down below. Next, reactivity with halogens, group 17 elements. How group 16 elements reacts with the 17 elements, halogens. Reacts with the 17 elements, react with the halogens to form type element hexahalides, hexa for 6 hexahalides, tetrahalides, dihalides. 3 types of halides they form, where E is any element of group 16 element, X is halogens. The stability of the halides, 3 types of halides, decreases in the form. Most halide is more stability is for fluorides compared to all other, and compared to these 3, chlorine is more stability. All hexafluorides in comparison to hexafluorides, and hexafluorides are first one. Here X is a F. Hexafluorides are gases in nature and they form octahedral in structure. SF6 is one of the exceptional case. SF6, S is any element. Here Se, any element is sulfur, because the sulfur is possible group 16 element. F6, here X is a fluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride. It exceptionally stable for steric hindrance reason. Due to the steric hindrance effect, SF6 is stable. These are all, and SF hexafluoride, fluoride, and bromides are gases in nature. And what about the EX4 type? E is a sulfur. Here E is a selenium. E is tellurium. X4. X is fluorides. Sulfur tetrafluoride is a gaseous in nature. Selenium tetrafluoride is a liquid in nature, and tellurium tetrafluoride is a solid. And these three are trigonal bipyramidal structure because there is a one lone pair of electrons in their structure. It is present in above the structure, so it seems like a seesaw structure. And monohalides, dihalides and monohalides. Monohalides are dimeric in nature. It forms dimers too. SEF2, S2Cl2, S2Br2, Se2Cl2, Se2Br2, like that. So dimers. After the physical and electrical properties of group 16 elements, the main concept enters here. Dioxygen. Number 1, dioxygen. Formula O2. Diatomic molecule of oxygen. And the preparation of dioxygen. Number 1, by heating of chlorates, nitrates, and permanganates. Chlorates. Number 1, from chlorates here it is a potassium chlorate, KClO3. Potassium chlorates. By heating the potassium chlorate in the presence of MnO2, here MnO2 acts as a catalyst. What is the work function of the catalyst? Catalysts are used to increase the rate of reaction. After heating, the potassium chloride converts into KCl and O2, oxygen. Preparation of oxygen, dioxygen from heating of chloride, potassium chloride in the presence of MnO2. Number 2, by the thermal decomposition, by providing heat, thermal decomposition of oxides of metal oxides to oxygen and metal, which are present in the electrochemical series, where it is a metal oxide, mercuric oxide, and silver oxide. Converts into metal plus oxygen. Metal plus oxygen. Here 2Ag2O converts into 4Ag plus O2. Preparation of O2 from metal oxides to metal plus water. Mercuric oxide SgO converts into Sp plus O2. Preparation of oxygen from metal oxides. Oxides of metals. Number 3, decomposition. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, formula H2O2. H2O2 in the presence of catalysts and metals and MnO2. Manganese dioxide used as a catalyst, and then hydrogen peroxide, aqueous hydrogen peroxide converts into water plus O2. Water plus O2. And a very familiar example for the preparation of oxygen by electrolysis process. With the electrolysis process, where electrolysis of water produces H2 at the cathode and O2 at the anode. In industrial method, preparation of O2 dioxygen is obtained from natural air by first removing carbon dioxide and water vapors, and then liquefying liquefying and fractionally distilling the remaining gases. 2 gives O2 and N2. After N2 will get separate, 2 gives pure O2. Dioxazine can prepare in industrial method. And physical properties of dioxazine O2. O2 is a colorless and odorless gas soluble in water. Dioxazine is soluble in water at 100 cm 100 ml at 293 Kelvin. 270 is the room temperature, so 273.15, 293, 20 Kelvin is more than the top room temperature. 293 Kelvin, 100 ml of O2 is soluble in water. At that condition, it is sufficient for the vital support of marine and aquatic life. And O2 is liquefies at 90 Kelvin temperature and freezes at 55 Kelvin temperature. And the stable isotopes of dioxazines are 16 oxygen, 17 and 18. These are all having the same atomic number. Same atomic number, different mass number. Stable isotopes are 3, 16, 17, 18 oxygen. And paramagnetic in nature, presence of one or more lone pair of electrons singly occupied, and the bond dissociation enthalpy is high in O2 for making OO double bond, oxygen oxygen double bond. What is the maximum bond dissociation enthalpy? 493.4 kilojoule per mole. Is the very high.